Guys, so I totally love this product by Goofy Tales. It's a water fountain and it has a water fountain concept and the water just cascades down here and he loves drinking from it. It is a great height and since my dog has started using this, he refuses to drink water from anywhere else. So you can, of course, once your dental sticks are over, you can actually buy these extra ones online. They look like this. And today I will be changing my filter as well, which is very easy to change and put together. You can buy extra filters online, which are these ones. So replace these every 3 weeks. So yeah, one basically lasts. It's good for almost a month. Now for the water filter, which I bought extra ones. Very easy to install. It is super easy. And now I will fill it up with water to about here. It's so easy. Just need to plug it in. And the water starts flowing. So you need to make sure that there is enough water for it to flow. And there you go. He loves it.